Hi, I'm Sean Sasso from COMPASS Real Estate, and today we're in Brooklyn Heights at 72 Orange Street. We're in the heart of the Fruit Street, some of the most coveted blocks in Brooklyn Heights. Today I'm going to show you a one-bedroom apartment that I think you're going to love. I can't wait to show you. Come take a look. So apartment 1D offers some really special features like the sunken living room, high ceilings, and a built-in bookcase. But one of the truly unique features about this property is that being tucked behind the courtyard, you not only have pin drop quiet living, but you also get an abundance of natural light throughout the entire space. I'd love to show you a little bit more like the windowed bathroom and the French doors that lead to the bedroom. So why don't we go take a look? So beyond the custom French doors, you're going to find a large and spacious master bedroom. The bedroom is large enough for a king-size bed and a desk if you're going to be working from home. It also has 3 windows, so giving you a double exposure. It's bright, it's sunny, it's airy, and to top it off, you're going to get double closets as well. So to top it all off, you get a large windowed kitchen. It connects directly to the dining room for easy entertaining and cooking. And you can let some natural light and air in too as well. So in addition to a beautiful apartment, you're going to get one of the most spectacular views in Brooklyn Heights. It's perfect for watching the fireworks, enjoying a great sunset, or entertaining guests. So again, thank you so much for joining me on this virtual tour of an amazing property on Orange Street. I hope to hear from you soon. My name is Sean Sasso from COMPASS Real Estate.